Hello, friends, welcome to the online class. How are you all doing? So, today our topic is digraphs, and in this video, I'll be showing you what are digraphs, and it will be explained with the practice questions. And stay tuned to the video because at the end, I'll be sharing a free worksheet from my website which you can download and print and use as you can use it and want. So we will be able to understand what are digraphs. So are you ready? Let's begin the topic. So let's first understand what are digraphs. Digraphs are two letters that come together to make one sound. Okay, let's understand this with the help of examples. For example, there are two letters S and H that come together and make one sound sh. So ship. In the word ship, the letters and H come together to make the sh sound. Let's have a look at some examples. Sh, ship, fish. It's not necessary for the digraphs to come only at the start, they can come at the end also. Some other examples are chair, cheese. In this example, k and h together make a sound of ch, which makes the sound ch, and chair, cheese, chess, and some other examples. Th. This is another example. Thumb and 3. This is another digraph. It has been made with the two letters T, H come together and make a sound of th. This is another example. W, whale, w, wheel. Another example where the alphabet P, H come together and make the sound of f, like phone, photo. Okay, now let's have a simple quiz. I hope you have understood about this digraphs. So let's see what you have learned. This is the first word. Which digraph comes with this word? Observe the picture carefully and think about it. Very good. So th, bath, bath. Okay. Next picture. Observe this picture carefully. Which digraph will come over here? S and H together make ship, sh, ship. Which digraph will come over here? Th, ch or sh? Cherry. So ch digraph will come over here. Now observe this picture. Can you guess the digraph? This is f, dolphin. Okay, what is this digraph? Ch, w, th, teeth. Okay, so ch, k, th. Which digraph will come over here? This is a picture of a clock. Very good. Okay, so this is the next picture. Which digraph will come over here? Either it's k, sh or f. Truck. Very good. This is the next picture. Can you think of the digraph which will come over here? Sh, shell. Very good. This is the next picture. What do you think the word is and which diagram will come over here? Bench. Bench. Good job. Kids, you have done a very good job and I hope you have understood about the digraphs. Now, as I promised, I'll share with you a free worksheet about the digraphs at my website. I'll share the link in the description. This is a free digraph worksheet. for your practice, which you can download and print as many times as you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel because in the future and in the past I've brought many informative videos, educational purpose videos for you. This is your teacher signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.